mai ke aloha o Hawai'i.
Awata nei kanua I Hawaii. Ola Ke Akua Kamehameha.
We're so blessed to be sitting here in this beautiful morning. Our Wehena Kaiao.
Mahope o ka ʻelua paha makahiki o ka hoʻolala kūpono ʻana, ua paʻa maila kekahi nuʻukia hou no nā kula o Kamehameha o SP2020 ia. I loko o kēia kukulu hou ʻana aku I ike ai nā luna a kahu waiwai hoʻi I ka waiwai o ka nohona Hawaiʻi ʻoia ʻiʻo ma ko lākou mau kula e hoʻomaka polo lei ana me lākou pono I hono. Ano laila, I mālama ia he ʻaha Wehena Kaiao e komo kūpono ai I kēia huli au ma ka piko o ke kula o Kamehameha ka pālama ma Kaʻiwakīloumoku.
We're setting up a launch or recommitment of our organization. And one of the great things for organizations, we have about 127 years of history. And so building on that foundation that Princess Pauahi gave us, we're starting here in the middle of our campus. We're starting at dawn. And we're starting a new day for us with a ceremony that includes important things from our Native Hawaiian cultural aspect, from us being a Christian organization, and us launching our strategic plan.
The ʻawa will be used and mixed together to share amongst all of us, to unify all of us, to connect all of us to one tanua, to one ʻawa, to one strength as we move forward this vision.
One of the things we're setting for our organization is how to be a great Native Hawaiian education organization. Not just an education organization, but a Native Hawaiian education organization. And that's different for us. And so some of the things we're doing is try to set a new normal for us. Whether we're in the classroom or in the office, we have to think like a Native Hawaiian education organization, one that understands its culture, one that understands its language. It's important that we're all here, executives, along with our staff, working together on Native Hawaiian education and what it is to be a cultural organization.
I see before me our leaders, and we've talked for the last 2 years about a strategic plan, about building actions. We have goals, but we can't do anything without our leadership. So we talked about how to launch our strategic plan. We can only think about bringing our leaders together and committing ourselves to the hard work in front of us.
A I mua no kahi e kūmai ana nā pōkiʻi I paʻa ka nohona Hawaiʻi a lākou ma ke ʻano he mauala kaʻi o ka ʻike Hawaiʻi I loko o kēia holomua hou ana aku.
Ma Kamehameha nei o koʻu pule ana, ka hoʻokanaka ana, ka hoʻohawaiʻi ana, a ka hoʻomaʻamau ana I nā mea Hawaiʻi, nā mea ʻike kupuna no nā limahana, no nā haumana, no nā ʻaina o kēia kula. Ike mai nā alakaʻi mai, nui ka iʻini, a oiaku ka iʻini e malama I nā ike Hawaiʻi, a I lilo kēlā I ke kahua no kia kula. A I nā hoʻomaka mai ka luna mai nā poʻo, pēlā e neʻe ai ke kino. I kahi lā, ale I pono ke kahi kuleana I ke meki ia. Hoʻokanaka ia na kanaka a pau. O ka manaʻo lana I ke kahi lā makaukau na kumu a pau, na haumana a pau, na alakaʻi a pau, me ka ʻike me ka ʻolelo Hawaiʻi, a ale pono ke kahi kuleana ni ke meki ia. Hiki ke lilo ia I ka mea maʻamau na kia kula na kukako lahui. Pā ke ia kula o Kamehameha I na ʻohana like ʻole mai na ʻano like ʻole. Ma ka koʻo kālā, ma ka hele kula, No leila ina pa'a na po'o me kia ike Hawaii, kaika e ana ko kako la hui.
I see at the beginning great change for the organization as we turn and we try to get better. And then what I see is a new normal for us. Our new normal of this is the way we always behave. This is the way we always act, whether in our classroom, in the office, or out in the aina. And so my hope is we develop a new norm for the organization.
Vai, vai, kaleo, kono. Vai, vai, kaleo.